Dodge Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Henderson County, central Warren County, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Stronghurst, or 13 miles east of Burlington, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Media around 3:05 p.m. Biggsville and Smithshire around 3:10 p.m. Onema around 3:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Kirkwood, Larchland, Ormond, Monmouth Municipal Airport, Eleanor, Lake Warren, Gerlaw, Cameron, and Coldbrook. National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fulton County, southwestern Stark County, southern Knox County, northwestern Peoria County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near London Mills, or 17 miles south of Galesburg, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near McQuon and Gilson around 2:35 p.m. Yates City around 2:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Williamsfield, Elmore, Laura, West Jersey, and Lafayette. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 54 and 72.